good. Fried chicken with cheese and ham. Hard to go wrong. Alright, so I just put the chicken in the fridge. I'm going to keep it in there for about 1 hour. And I'm going to leave it in there. This way, everything I just put on the chicken will get stuck to the chicken and really stay on there so that when I fry it later in the pan, none of that comes off. And this way we can keep everything together and keep all that flavor in. Alright, so chicken's been in the fridge for an hour. I'm about to throw it in there. I did want to mention though, one thing you'll notice is that I didn't roll them like a lot of times you see chicken cordon bleu done rolled up. Instead I just kind of folded it like a wallet. So the reason that I did that was because I saw some video where they did it and it looked amazing, so I figured why not. So that's why I did it that way. I'm sure it would work either way, but this just seemed easier, so that's what I'm doing. Alright, they're all done. Time to cut into them and see how they came out. Alright, so let's see how they came out. Got it, big piece. Tastes pretty good though. Definitely better than when I put it in the oven. I'm pretty happy with this actually. I'm gonna have myself another piece. It's hot. It's good. Fried chicken with cheese and ham. Hard to go wrong. I definitely like the fact that I folded it like a wallet instead of rolling it up. It was easier to do, easier to cook, easier to cut into. I didn't need to use toothpicks or anything to hold it together. I'll definitely be doing it that way from now on. Just everything about it is easier and it tastes great, so I can't complain. I also made some mashed potatoes like I did in one of my previous videos. I threw some garlic in there as well, so I'm gonna see how these came out. Just like in my last video, insanely smooth, super, super creamy. I do taste the garlic. I could actually use a little more garlic. I used 4 pretty big sized cloves for a pound of potato, but they're pretty good. I had to add a lot of salt to them though, so a ton of salt, but super creamy. I can taste the garlic. Just sort of melts in your mouth as you put it in there. So yeah, I would consider this as a success. This went really well. I'm happy with the chicken. I'm happy with the potatoes, and I'm gonna go eat dinner. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.